Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to break down some of the more advanced order types on Robinhood, specifically stop orders and stop limit orders. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level and want to understand how to automatically buy or sell stocks based on specific price levels, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. If you tap the information button in the top right corner, you'll see how a stop order works. Essentially, a buy stop order will place a market order if the stock rises above a certain price. A sell stop order will trigger a market order if the stock falls below a certain price. Once the stop price is reached, the order executes immediately at the market price. Stop orders are useful if you're using technical analysis and waiting for a stock to break out of a certain level before entering a trade. You can also use a stop order as a stop loss to automatically sell a stock if it drops below a price you're not comfortable with. The next type is called a stop limit order. This works similarly to a stop order, but instead of triggering a market order, it triggers a limit order when the stop price is met. For example, you can set a stop price at one level, but only buy or sell if it hits a specific limit price you define. This allows for more control over the exact price at which your order is executed. The same principle applies for selling a stock. You can protect yourself from unexpected price swings while still executing trades strategically.